ROMD 10.26 4K Dashcam Rearview Camera 5G. Wi-Fi Carplay and Android Auto, equipped with powerful Core 4-core chip, a new generation of image processors with high-quality image output capability. It enables the device to be turned on quickly within 5 seconds and makes device run faster and more stable. Let you enjoy the ultimate smooth experience. Front 4K 2160p plus rear 1080p record. ROMD can achieve dual-channel recording, which provides all-round protection and allows you to drive safely. The front camera adopts a 170-degree A+ level high-resolution wide-angle lens with a resolution of 3160-1560p 4K, and the rear camera HD TVI 1080p 2530 fps. It can capture license plates, road signs and other key details on the road. Night vision mode. The latest camera technology supports the recorder to take clear and real pictures at night, helping you record the beautiful driving process at night. Multiple functions and display modes to achieve more comfortable and safer driving. You can easily use map navigation, listen to music, answer and make calls, and view messages. GPS navigation in CarPlay mode. The DVR can realize the GPS navigation function, and you can directly wake up the voice assistant and say your destination. It will help you plan your route, which is more convenient and safe for your drive. Note: the DVR itself does not have GPS navigation software, external GPS module, which can automatic correct time, display the vehicle speed and record speed coordinates, and track. Then you can check the video playback in the RoadCam app. Need to choose GPS antenna set meal, real-time reverse view, support 1080p full-screen reverse image, and with guideline. When reversing, the system will automatically turn on the high-definition reversing camera at the rear of the car and clearly display the state of the rear of the car on the reverse IP screen, so that you can accurately grasp the road conditions at the rear. The preview angle can be adjusted by sliding the left side of the screen to control the position of the guideline. G-sensor. When your car is subjected to an impact or other emergency, the G-sensor is triggered so that the recorder immediately records and locks the video. With 24H parking monitoring, 24H parking cable allows you to connect dash cam to a vehicle battery source. Get constant power supply from the battery directly, so your car DVR will keep work even when ignition is off.